Okay, this video is for Jason. I have your 2 quads finished up. So here is the long range one. And this, for anybody wondering, is a Project 399 Super G Plus, I think. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's what it is. And you sent me this. It was already built, but you wanted to add the DJI, the Vista on there. So I had you get this different top plate because if they have, so you know, you can buy the frame, but then if you plan on putting a Vista or an air unit in it, you can get this different separate top plate. And well, let me grab the other top plate. So this is the stock one that comes with it. So you can see how it's wider here and here. And that's so that you can fit an air unit or a Vista, because otherwise the standoffs would be in the way. And you could also, I mean, you don't have to have this top plate, because you could just take like these 2 standoffs out and then you'd have enough room back here for the Vista. But it's pretty cool because with this top plate, it just moves it out to the second set of screws. So there's 2 sets of screws here and here to hold the arm. So it moves the standoff from here to here, which gives you plenty of room. So then I was able to move the Vista, which I actually needed to push it up as far as I could up this way to make it enough room for the camera to reach. But you know, that also just depends on which, I mean, they have, you know, longer cables for the camera and whatnot. This back here was cut, I think, so I glued it for you, so it's nice and glued. Okay, so yeah, I put the Vista in. The Crossfire Diversity that you got, I redid that with some heat shrink and foam tape and stuff. I added a BEC, so this is the iFlight BEC. It's 2 to 8S, and it puts out 12 volts up to 2 amps, I believe. So it's perfect for the Vista. I'm running it straight to the, I think it's the VBAT on the flight controller. I resoldered some stuff on the flight controller and put this on here for the Crossfire antenna. I also added a, my mind's just going blank right now. Immortal T and this TPU piece. So what I would do if I was you, when you're about to fly, just twist this around towards straight up and down like that. I don't think it'll hit the props. I haven't checked that yet, but it shouldn't. Let me see. Nope, not even close. Alright. So yeah, you can twist this all around however you want to put it. And I think that that's about it. Yeah, I activated and updated the Vista. And I made sure it's ready to go. It arms. I have not test hovered it, but you sent me this already ready to go. Like, you had already been flying it, so it should be ready to go. But if not, let me know and I will test hover it before I ship it. So let's just plug a battery in and arm it real quick. Grab one of these. So I love this this thing that I got. I use this every time because it'll save you from smoking your quad. But when you go to arm it, it'll cut out because it's too much. I don't know why, but anyways, so I got to switch to this one. So let's plug it in. And we'll just arm it real quick. So it looks like you have it on reverse prop. Yeah, that's all good to go. I don't have any DJI goggles, so I can't show the video, but like I said, I activated and updated it. It's getting powered through the BEC, so you can run 6S on this no problem. You could even run 8S. So there's that one. Good to go. And then the other one, so that's the Project 399 Super G Plus. This is the Project 399 Super G Z's edition. Turned out pretty nice. I built this one all the way. Yeah, not a lot to say about it. The buzzer that you sent was a little bit too big, so I used one of mine. It's pretty much the same one, but the button for it's on the side here. You probably can't get to it with your finger, so you'll have to use something like what I use to push that button. It's right there. Crossfire's on top here. You can get to the bind button right there. I didn't show on the other one too, but I made it to where you can get to the bind button through the top hole too. So let's just plug this in and see if it arms. I don't remember. I finished this a few days ago.
Telemetry recovered.
Alright, let's see. Yep, that's good. But you know what? This is not set for props out. I don't know if you wanted it props out or not. The other one is props out. Maybe I'll just set this one for props out too, I guess. I don't know. If you watch this video and you let me know before this ships out, then I'll just set it for props out, because that's just what I have been doing for a while now. Just every quad props out. So yeah, I'll change that. And other than that, everything should be ready to go. This thing's pretty cool. I like how it's got the GoPro mount. Pretty sweet. Nice thick arms. Definitely can't forget about that. That can be really annoying sometimes. Alright. Cool. So I'm going to set this for props out, box them up, and ship them out. Alright, thanks, Jason.